Hey everyone, Ray again. Guess what? I've got another video of a little mini gear fidget spinner. Check that out. It's made from a real steel gear. It's tiny. It measures 7/8 of an inch in diameter, has some brass buttons in it, and only weighs 11.5 grams. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, Alana at Fidget Haven Reviews was nice enough to do a completely honest video of all the things she likes and doesn't like about this little fidget spinner. I'm going to put a link to her video and her channel in the description of this video. Please do check her out. So to make the small gears, we start with gear rod. So for the mini gear spinner, as you can see, we've got the gear and the bearing. That's two parts. The two parts of the button, and these screws that hold it all together. So putting it together is rather simple. Have the male button. Slip it right on. Put the other half on. And this is the flathead screw. There it is assembled. Now what happens is, because of the screw thread, you see we have a little dimple there. So I put in this little set screw. It's just the right size and length to plug that off and finish it nicely. There you go. So that is how that finishes it, nice and smooth. Now you don't have a huge hole there with threads. And there's the button, and of course there is the gear spinner. So this little guy gets about 40 seconds of spin. Once the bearing breaks in, you should, and it's clean, you should be able to get about a minute. So very interesting little spinner. It's only 7/8 of an inch in diameter and weighs 11.5 grams. So it's one of my favorite little ones. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my future videos. Thank you. If you like this fidget spinner and you are curious about getting one for yourself, there'll be a link in the description of this video to my website.